Hello again. Just a very short tutorial this time. Just wanted to show you um, some of the added bonuses as a result of what we've done through the 6 tutorials beforehand. So we've done the plan. We've seen that. We've seen how we build all that together and insert the windows, and we've looked at the 3D option, obviously, and how that looks for us, so we can see all the options, inside, out, ground floor, all the rest of it. But at the very beginning I said we needn't worry about these 3 options here, and there's a reason for that, because I said that these naturally get built. So we can look at this, which will give us the elevation view. That's the rear elevation, and we can click on that one, and that gives us the front elevation. So it naturally builds these up, so you've got those as a working drawing, and you can add all sorts of details in here, but we haven't gone into that amount of detail. So I just wanted to show you that that's an option you can do. And under components, this will take quite a while to build up because we've added ever such a lot. This has got everything in there. It starts building up virtually an inventory of all the materials that you've used in the build from start to finish. So that's good. So last thing I wanted to show you very quickly is as part of this, you're going to need to include some dimensions somewhere, because again, clients aren't going to be maybe have the ability to see the vision and see the room, and they're going to ask how big things are. And obviously, moving forward, contractors need measurements to do the building. So I'm going to briefly go through measurements. So we're going to go for this dimension tool here, the horizontal line with the 1.2 above. So I'm going to click that. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to select that point there. There we go. And I'm going to click that point there. Double click that and pull that out, and that tells me it's 32 meters long, which I already knew because we inputted that information, didn't we? So that tells me it's 32 meters long. But a really good thing about this dimension tool is as a bricklayer, I'd need to know the dimensions of all these components so I could set it out. So what we do, just going to zoom in just a tad. So I'm going to select the corner of that building. I'm going to select that. So just left clicking on the mouse, single clicks, all the points that I want dimensions of. Okay. So we're going to keep going along here. And just holding the wheel on the mouse down, so I can select those points there. And last one before I get cramp. Okay, so now I can double click that, pull that out, and hey presto, you've got all your dimensions in there. So very quickly, this is now becoming a really good working drawing, isn't it? And just to give clients a little bit more information, we can click the internal bit there. And we don't want that one, so get rid of that. And we want that one there, but we don't want that. So double click that, and that'll give me the width of the wall, 176, that's including the plasterboard, and the internal measurement of the room is 3761. And we know that's replicated all the way along, so we don't have to do it twice. You might want to put the dimension in for the bathroom, so let's just go. Again, we're going to put that in there, but we don't want that one. We're going to put that there, but we don't want that one. And we're just going to click there. And again, we've got 176 and we've got 1400. And that's as much as you need to do. I'm just going to go put one more in there. Get rid of that. Put one in there, get rid of that. Double click and we've got 2 meters, and so all of a sudden we're starting to see some good detail of dimensions. And I'm just going to pop just a few more in just because I'm enjoying myself. I'm going to leave that one in so it gives me the cavity measurement as well. Leave it there, to be fair. So there you go, 176, 211 and 341, the interior measurement. So all of a sudden you're starting to add the critical detail that you will need to do, and that's really, really useful. And I think that'll do for this short tutorial. I wanted to do that one really quickly, just to show you those key functions. Fabulous, thank you.